Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach, and this is actually the last end of the year reminder video. And there's a new things that is I wanted to update you on this video. So stick around, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and then let's go to the video properly. Now we started end of the year promo, which like 14 days ago, like 13 days ago. You can see that this end of the year promo, a few videos that I've been doing, I've been skipping some sections of this end of the year promo, which is I already talk on this universal VTU script. That's the one that I have been talking about. Now I've been skipping the custom airtime data and VTU script. The reason is because there was technical glitch on the application. But right now, as I speak or as I send this video to you, you see that the solution is 100% working. I'm going to prove it in this video so that you say, Shedrach, before I buy this solution, I must make sure say it's working. Now, what is this custom airtime and data VTU script? Now, this is what's called Cadvs. Here is the promo, and this solution is like, okay, you're going to have a solution that looks like this, because I like doing things lately because of my authority in the internet and also on the content creation space. I don't sell you something that is not working, right? I will say to you something that is working. And how do I prove that it's working? I will build the solution for you, then show you that, this is how it's going to look like. So you shouldn't say, Shedrach, you just say something that is on paper. Now, this is it. If you go to cashalad.com.ng/backend, you're going to see this interface. So right now, I'm just going to do just a simple transaction just to prove to you that this is working, right? So I'm just going to select the MTN, MTN SME, for instance. You'll be able to see that here you select, I'm going to select 500 megabytes. Then I'm going to send it to this line. Then I'm going to put my PIN. Okay, this is my PIN. Then I'll click on purchase, then subscribe. So you can see it, right? You can see transaction successful. Now, what this thing is trying to tell you that this application is back and working 100%. Before now, there was a glitch. That was why I delayed the broadcast of the videos. But right now, it is working 100%. Now, this is the opportunity I've been waiting for. If you think you want to go in for this, now how does this thing work? Let me start with the multiple API switch. Now, the universal VTU script here, the original reseller portal setup. What is reseller portal setup? A situation whereby we'll handle the development for you. You don't have access to your cPanel. I keep repeating it in most of the videos. Now, the price for now is, as in when the end of the year is, when the end of the year is over, which is tomorrow. Okay, we are doing this last broadcast because this is the last day to the day which completed 14 days. The price will go to this amount, which is 60K, for you to have a reseller website on this software. So, but right now it is 21,500, right? So you can see it right away. Now, the 4 days, this is no longer 4 days, guys, please. Okay, take notes. This is no longer 4 days. This is the remaining days is 1 day, 1 day at the moment of broadcasting this video. Okay, so note it, because we use YouTube account days to calculate it. So you should be aware that we did a broadcast on this on the channel. I like to be very, plain to you, in the sense that you should be able to know that, Shedrach, you are not saying something that is contradictory to what you guys are doing. So if you come to this video now, let me take you back to when the whole thing started. By the way, if you are new to the channel, subscribe, like, and share this video so that you get updated when such event occurs. So you can see now, this, at the moment of recording this video, is 11 days old, okay? But before I'm taking this recording, 7 something. So once it's 8, it's going to be 12 days. So the remaining days, because this is supposed to be 14 days, but we're cutting it short to be tomorrow, right? So after tomorrow, this is going to go to 60K. So I don't want you to pay higher. That's why we are making the last video, so that you get it now, okay? Now the VTU Plus training is going to cost you 145K. That is on the normal price. But right now it is 40K. And then it's going to last for 1 day from, as in 1 day from now, right? So you can see that VTU script alone, that's if you're a developer and you don't want us to train you, you're going to pay just 35K instead of 145K. So if you are interested in that, it lasts for 1 day. So now if you want to check a sample of this universal VTU script, you go to moredata.com.ng. What does it really mean? It means that if you pay for this script or maybe reseller, this is how you are going to get, because I have to advertise something that's like you see what you are buying before even you buy it, right? That way you can be rest assured that what you are paying is genuine. So this is for universal VTU script. And then that of Cadvs, which is the one I'm going to look like, show you now, is quite different. This one is not one of the things that differentiates Cadvs from the more data universal VTU script is that the universal VTU script gives you the ability to switch API, right? I've told you about API switching before now, but this one of custom airtime and data VTU script, you will give you a centralized system that gives you ability to link up to our own API, right? But it's very flexible, very, very fine, very, you can be a good starting point if you really want to go in for this business. Now, the reseller setup solution on this is 25K, but right now it's going to be 15,000 for you to get a reseller website that is on this. Now, we're offering a script on this particular solution. Now, the script is normally before now, as in the normal price is 50K, but right now it's 23,000. The offer is going to last, it's going to end in 1 day from now, because we started it in 14 days ago. And the offer is going to last for 1 day from now. So if you want to check sample on the back end, you can check the cashalert.com.ng/backend. But this script also has a front end, just like it is in more data, right? It has its own front end. So if you wish to request for a front end review, let me know on on my DM, okay? So you can check the sample. I already made a recharge just to prove to you that everything is working. So you can see I made a recharge right now, and then you can see this is the dashboard. You can see everything is working as per se. So you can have your website, users can register, you can have membership system, bulk SMS is working, airtime VTU is working, data subscription is working, and the membership upgrade is working, and is currently on sale. The script is currently on sale. So if you want to get the script that will enable you to build a kind of a solution in this category, it is available. Okay, but remember, this second script is a centralized script in the sense that you only connect to our API, right? You're able to get every training on how to do the connections and all that when you make your payment. So what are you waiting for? This is the concluding day on this training. What's it called? Not training, guys. This is a promo, and it's end of the year. If you don't want to get this offer now, it means you need to wait for 1 year. Maybe in that 1 year, we'll now say that this particular script is sold for 500,000. You see now, Nigerians are very funny. When things are okay, cheap, they don't buy. It's when it is high, they will now start buying. They will start doing every means to buy it. Remember, this promo offer supports only .com.ng. If you say that you don't want to use .com.ng domain, you go register your domain elsewhere and send us your DNSA to send we'll send you the name server to change in your DNSA. These are things we have to give you communication once you make your payments. Now, how the delivering time for this is 5 days, 15 days, right? So I think I've said it in the other videos. I'm still repeating it right now. So the delivering time remains the same thing, which is 15 days after you must have made your payment. Now, for you to place order for payment, make a call, okay? Call this line, which is 081 30 This line is available 247 to attend to you. And then once you make your payment and tell us here, kindly mention, I wish to pay for promo package, follow with the one you have chosen, an amount. I'm bringing the last video reminder for you just to make sure that you don't miss out from this end of the year offer. Okay, now subscribe to the Legit Cash Business TV, because we are trying to launch a software solution. Of course, the platform itself that will sell the application. It's going to go for public offer, and we are also making offer on that category. So make sure that you subscribe and like and share this video, and then let me know your thoughts, especially on WhatsApp. Tell me, Shedrach, I want to join this the special offer that you are trying to, the software you want to launch. Let me know. Just this is a community, and I want you to be part of it. So get started, book your slot, make your payment today and tomorrow, and secure this software. It's a one-time offering, okay? One-time opportunity, because it may say, I want to wait for next year. At the end of the day, next year, the software will not be available for sale, or rather say it will be available, but it will not going to be on this amount. So what are you waiting for? If you have been enjoying our content, you have been following us, okay, you may say, oh, I have a software already. You can get this solution. Never can tell when it's going to help your business scale up. Okay, we're looking at scaling your telecom business. And the way to scale it is to have a lot of applications that will be deployed, that is deployable. You understand? Now, if you're a starter, you want to get started, but the only thing that I always discourage you is the prices we have on our platform, especially in most of our channels. I'm talking about V2 setup solutions. Now, this is the opportunity for you to grab this solution that is at a very cheap price, especially the one of Cadvs. This is very cheap. Instead of paying 25K, you can pay 15,500, but it's only limited to 2 days from now. Once this video is 2 days old, please do not pay for anything, because it means that this offer is already closed. Do not come to WhatsApp and say, Shedrach, I want to now pay for the offer. I don't entertain that. Or you also buy the script, which is Universal V2 script, and I'm going to train you back and front on how to actually implement the application to start working on your on your hosting account. Then if you're a reseller, you want to build a reseller website, you can get a solution like this on a cheaper ground. Except you want to wait, let the price go high, then there's no problem. We are still available for attend to you when the prices go high. So if you know what is good for you, go to my DM now, request for your payment. Just say, oh, send me your payment. I want to pay. Don't come and start asking questions, because the answer to your questions is on this video. I keep saying it over and over. Everything is there. You don't come to WhatsApp and begin to say, oh, Shedrach, what is the end of the year offer? It is already explained in the video. Or say, Shedrach, please show me sample. These are samples, okay? The sample is already on the video. And then, Shedrach, what will I get when I pay? I've already explained it. Either you get a reseller website or you get a V2 script. These are two things that you get depending on the one you pay. So make a choice preference on the one that you want to go for and make your payment. I'm going to see you in the inside. And remember, I want you to be at the top. I don't want you to be at the bottom, because I don't like being at the bottom. Thanks and God bless.